Good morning, students. Today we are going to study problem solving in linear equations. These are reducible problem solving. They are not linear equations, but we reduce these equations in linear equations and solve them. Let us start. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 13, 5 upon x, 4 upon y is equals to minus 2. Let 1 upon x is p and 1 upon y is q. Above equation becomes 2p plus 3q equals 13 and 5p minus 4q equals minus 2. Now you can see they are linear equations. We have reduced assuming 1 upon x p, 1 upon y q. How to solve them? Multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 3, we get 8p plus 12q is equal to 52. For 15p minus 12q equals minus 6. 12q cancel out, 18 and 5 is 23p is 52 minus 6, 46. We get the value of p is 2. If p is 2, equate it in one of the equations. 2p plus 3q equals to 13. We get 2 2s are 4, 13 minus 4 is 9. 3q is 9, so q is 9 over 3, 3. Value of p is 2, value of q is 3. 1 over x, 2, 1 over y, 3. So x becomes 1 over 2 and y becomes 1 over 3. Example 2. This is also not a linear equation. We will reduce it to linear equation. 5 over x minus 1, 1 over y minus 2 equals 2. 6 over x minus 1, 3 over y minus 2 equals 1. Let 1 over x minus 1 be p, 1 over y minus 2 be q in the equation above. We get 5p plus q equals 2 and 6p minus 3q equals 1. The first equation is multiplied. Now you can see they are linear equations. Now we are solving them. How to solve them? Multiply the first equation by 3 and add it to the second equation. This becomes 15p plus 3q is 6 and 6p minus 3q is 1. 3q cancels, 21p is 7, p is 1 over 3. Equate it in the second equation. 6p minus 3q equals to 1. 6, 1 over 3 minus 3q equals 1. 2 minus 1, 6 upon 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 3q and q is 1 over 3. P is 1 over 3, 1 over x minus 1. X minus 1 becomes 3. X becomes 3 plus 1 equals 4. So x is 4. Q is 1 over 3 equals to 1 over y minus 2. Y minus 2 is 3. Y becomes 3 plus 2, 5. Y is 5. So the answer is x is 4 and y is 5. Let us see example 3. 7x minus 2y over xy equals 5. 8x plus 7y over xy equals to 15. We write it as 7x over xy minus 2y over xy is equal to 5. 8x over xy plus 7y over xy is equal to 15. X and x gets cancelled, y and y gets cancelled. We get 7 1 over y minus 2 1 over x is 5. Then 8 1 over y plus 7 1 over x is 15. We consider 1 over y as p and 1 over x as q. They are reduced to linear equations. 7p minus 2q equals 5. 8p plus 7q equals to 15. Multiply the first equation by 7 and second equation by 2 and add. What do we get? 49p minus 14q is 35. 16p plus 14q is 30. 65p equals 65p equals 1. Equate it in 8p plus 7q is equal to 15. What do we get? Q is 1. P is 1. Q is 1. 1 over y is 1. 1 over x is 1. We get x is 1 and y 1. Example 4. 10 over x plus y plus 2 over x minus y is 4. 15 over x plus y minus 5 over x minus y is 2. We consider 1 over x plus y is p and 1 over x minus y is q. We get the linear equations 10p is plus 2q equals 4, 15p minus 5q equals minus 2. Multiply the first equation by 5 and second equation by 2. We get 50p plus 10q equals 20 and 30p minus 10q equals 14 is equal to minus 4. On adding, you can see the 10q will cancel out, 50 and 30 will becomes 80p is equal to 20 minus 4, 16. P will become 16 upon 80, 1 over 5. Equate P 1 over 5 in 10p plus 2q equals 4. We get 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2q is 4. So 2q becomes 4 minus 2, q becomes 1. Now p is 1 over 5, 1 over x plus y, so x plus y is 5. Q is 1 over x minus y is 1. Let us add them. When we add them, 2x becomes equals to 6 and x becomes equals to 3. Equate x is equal to 3 in x plus y is equal to 5. We get 3 plus y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 minus 3 equals 2. Answer is x is equal to 3 and y equals 2. Let us do example 5. It is a story type problem. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also time taken by 1 man alone to finish the work. This is how we do it. Time taken by 1 woman to finish the work is x days. Time taken by 1 man to finish the work is y days. Alright. Then 1 day amount of work 1 day amount of work done by man is 1 over 5. 1 over y. 1 day amount of work done by woman is 1 over x. Now we get the equations. 2 women, 5 men. 1 day's work, 1 day's work. In 4 days, in 1 day, the 4-day work will be 1 over 4. Is it clear? 1 day's work of woman, 1 day's work of man, and the work done in 1 day will be 1 over 4. 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. 3 1 day's work of woman, 6 1 day's work of man. In 1 day, the amount of work to be done is 1/3. Put 1 upon x is p and 1 upon y is q. We get 2p plus 5q is 1 upon 4. 3p plus 6q is 1 upon 3. Multiply the second equation by this we consider as third and fourth equation. We consider this as third, we consider this as fourth. Multiply third equation by 3 and fourth equation by 2. We get 6p plus 15q is 3 upon 4. 6p plus 12q is 2 upon 3. Change the signs. 6p cancel out. 15 minus 12 is 3q. From 3 upon 4 we subtract 2 upon 3. Taking the LCM, 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8, 1 over 12. 3q is 1 over 12, q is 1 over 36. Equate in this equation 3p plus 6q is 1 over 3. We get 3p plus 6 upon 36 is 1 upon 3. 3p becomes 1 over 3. 1 over 6 will come this side. And take the LCM again. LCM is 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 6. 3p is 1 over 6. P is 1 over 18 is equal to 1 upon x. So x is 18 days. Q is 1 upon 13, 6 equals to 1 over y. Y is 36 days. One woman can finish the work alone in 18 days. One man can do this work alone in 36 days. On the basis of this, you do the exercise 3.6 of NCERT. Stay home, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you very much.